Hey guys, we were asked to make a custom box for one of our clients. They asked for engraving inside of the lid. As you can see, there is some depth here, and we need to make sure that we had clearance with our lens. I opted for this project to use the 1.5" American Photonics lens to get the color on this solid cherry that I wanted. It was not going to work with the nozzle attached to the lens. So we did what we've done, the same hack, same tips and tricks that we've done with the 40-ounce tumblers using the 4" American Photonics lens in this same laser. We're using the same thing, but with the 1.5" lens, we're just taking that nozzle off, using some Velcro here to attach the air nozzle to help keep the lens clean. And this way now we have plenty of clearance for engraving the inside of this lid. Have a great day.